Good morning to everyone. This is a very short video about the class that we have today. Okay, the first thing is welcome. Welcome to the English class. Thank you for being here in the class. Okay, we're going to be working in our book, BIP 5, pages 24 and 25. And the grammar point that we have been working during this unit is can or can't. But what is can? It's the verb that expresses an ability, and can't is the negative way. So that means that with can, I'm going to say I can do something, okay? Can express ability and can't express inability, okay? So we have the way to answer affirmative or negative. Is going to be answered affirmative? Yes, I can. If I'm going to answer in a negative way, no, I can't. We're going to see. And then we have the story. We're gonna listen the story. Kay's big race on pages 24 and 25. So right now I need you to follow me in the reading. Look for your books, your book on pages 24 and 25. And we are gonna listen the story. 1, 2, and 3.
3.3. Read and listen to the story. Kay's Big Race. This is Kay. She loves sports. She really wants to play soccer. But she can't. Kay can't walk, but she can go very fast in her wheelchair, and she can swim. She goes swimming with her friend Dave every day. Kay has very strong arms, and she can swim very fast. She's on the school swimming team.
Come on, Kay.
The coach is timing her. Kay always has healthy snacks after swimming practice.
Can I have a soft drink?
Sorry, not today. Too much sugar is bad for you.
Kay and Dave are looking at the bulletin board.
Look! The competition is on Friday! I hope we win a trophy.
Dave is on the swimming team too.
Here are your goggles. Good luck, Kay. Thanks, Dave.
Kay's race is starting soon. Dave hopes she wins.
Well done, Kay. You're the best.
Kay wins the race. Her friends are very happy, and so is her dad.
I love chocolate cake.
Sugar is good for you sometimes.
Kay has chocolate cake once a week.
Okay, as we read the story and we know all about Kate's big race. So for now, we have to answer some questions. And this is the study guide for this week. Y estas preguntas es la guía de trabajo de esta semana. Okay, so we have the first one. What we're going to do on your study guide, you have to underline the right answer. En su guía de trabajo ustedes tienen 3 opciones a responder de la pregunta que vamos a ver. ¿Qué es lo que tienen que hacer ustedes? ¿Van a subrayar o van a colorear la respuesta correcta? Vamos a leerlas. Está la traducción en español para que sea un poquito más fácil, ¿sí? Vamos a ver la primera. Why can't Kay play soccer? Why? ¿Por qué Kay no puede jugar fútbol? We have 3 answers or 3 options. She's little. She can't walk. She's tall. You're going to choose the right You're going to choose the best. Ustedes van a ver cuál es la que es la respuesta. You're going to make a circle or you're going to color the answer. Number 2. Can Kay walk? ¿Puede Kay caminar? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Yes, she can't. Ok, solo verifiquen bien cuál sea la respuesta correcta. Ok, and you are going to answer. Number 3. Can she swim? ¿Puede ella nadar? What do you think? ¿Qué creen ustedes? ¿O qué nos decía la historia? No, she can't. Yes, she can. Or yes, no, she can't. What do you think is going to be the right one? Veamos cuál es la respuesta correcta and the last two. Number 4. Who does she go swimming with? She goes with a special person. Ella va con alguien especial y lo decía la historia. With her brother, with Dave, or with her father. What the story tell us about this? And now write the 3 characters from the story. Aquí nos dice que escribamos 3 personajes de la historia. It could be Kay, it could be Dave, friends, father. Okay, you're gonna choose the best answer. Okay, this was the brief resume of the class for today. So right now you have to send me or to have all of this material, okay? Lo pueden mandar o tener todo este material, okay? Because it's the study guide number 8. Así que esta es la guía de trabajo número 8. Así que los que lo mandan por Classroom, lo mandan a Classroom, y los que no, por favor, lo siguen archivando hasta el momento que sea la entrega del archivo, okay? Have a wonderful day. Blessings to everyone, okay? Bendiciones a todos. Cuídense. God bless you.